Hey guys, so having farm animals in the Boston metro area can be really difficult. There's just no support, no vets, none of the vets, none of the support personnel really want to deal with farm animals. It's just not their specialty. And quite understood, it's just the area. Out west, there's more of that, it's more prevalent, easier to have farm animals. But my point is, my buddy has a couple sheep and he needs them sheared, quite often. He doesn't do it himself because he's a, city person. So he's been calling every baba in the area and none of them will return their calls. Boring guy, DIY.